Hi, it's Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off the focused inbox with Microsoft Outlook on your Android or iPhone. This principle is the same for both devices. Very easy to do, but it is super annoying, and yeah, I don't know why they've added it, but maybe you use focused inbox. Let me know. I'll be interested to hear. Anyway, open up Outlook, press on the tab, and go to the top and click on your icon. At the bottom, you have got the settings cog, so press that. And then just scroll down towards the bottom where you've got the general section. Click on mail. And in mail, you'll see the toggle there straight away, focused inbox. So if you want to turn that off, press on the toggle, that will turn it off. And also you've got the option to swipe between messages, which some people don't like. So if you want to turn that off as well. So there you go, really easy to do. That is how to disable focused inbox on Microsoft Outlook Mobile for your Android or iOS devices. Hopefully this video's been helpful. If it has, smash the like button. If you want to see more content of this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting subscribe and the chime notification. That way you'll be notified of future video releases. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. And hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.